Let's take the results of our transformations and save them locally in different formats. We'll start by exporting our clean requests table into a CSV file. That gives us a simple, portable format that can be opened anywhere. Excel, Python, R, or even just a text editor. Next, we'll export the same table to Parquet. Parquet is a columnar format that's much more efficient for analytics. It's compressed, fast to scan, and well supported across almost every modern data tool. To prove it, we'll immediately read the Parquet file back into DuckDB and run a quick aggregation. We'll count the number of issues per complaint type, sort them, and show then the top 10. And this is a great example of how flexible DuckDB is. You can move data between its own database files, CSVs and Parquets with just a single SQL command. That makes it easy to share results, integrate with other tools, or build pipelines that mix and match formats as needed. And all you need to do for this is very simple. Import DuckDB again, and then import the path so that we can work with local paths, right? Then we're connecting to our new ELT DuckDB database that is cleaned for the clean data. And then we're going to set our CSV path just as clean request CSV because we want to have it here directly in the folder. Then we have a connection and we execute the connection, copy clean requests to CSV path that we've set here with the header and the delimiter as comma. And then we just print out that we actually have done this. For the next, then we are doing the exact same thing with Parquet, creating here the new Parquet file, clean request Parquet, then we execute it, boom, here format Parquet. And then we show that we've done it. Of course, we can then also read it again, right? So we can create a new data frame and we do a execute here. And what we're selecting here is that we say read Parquet, clean request Parquet, and just limit it by 10 and then fetch the df. So we're going to bring this in again here from our Parquet file that we've just wrote, and then, yeah, we're going to print this. Let's execute this little script. So you can see here, export clean requests to our clean request CSV to the Parquet, and then we have here top complaint types from Parquet, complaint types, issues, elevator, 22,504. Okay, so you can see it's very simple. With Python, open up the database, take the data, write it into CSV, write it into Parquet, take the Parquet again, open it up as the file directly, and then query from the file. It's super, super simple, only a few lines of code.